Well, Steve has completed the maintenance on the car. Now it's time for the test drive.
This has always been a cool car to drive. Steering wheel in the middle. This is freaking great. I just love this car so much. Hate to see it go, but at least having an opportunity like this to take it for one last ride. It's awesome.
You know, the test drive with the 365P went unbelievably well. I haven't driven that car in many years, and it goes just as nice as the last time I drove it. We brought it back to the shop. We've finished our detailing today, and the truck's about to show up to pick the car up and bring it to California. One-off cars can be tough to put a value on, and this totally unique, bespoke Ferrari is no exception. As far as expectations go, the most expensive car Gooding has sold at auction is a 1957 Ferrari Testarossa for $16.39 million after fees. And the consensus is the 365P is going to blow that record right out of the water.
Okay.
We put the Ferrari in the truck, tied it down, and I'll see it in a week in California.